It is more than just a material. It is a fusion of lightness and strength. Its essence lies in the precise alignment and bonding of each carbon fiber strand. Today, let's witness together the extraordinary birth of a carbon fiber product. A single carbon fiber is strong, but it cannot stand alone. So, they are woven into fabric, with warp and weft interlacing, layer upon layer. Different weaving patterns plain weave, twill not only endow the future board with unique visual aesthetics but also determine the foundation of its mechanical properties. A CNC laser follows the path preset by the computer, and the high-temperature beam precisely vaporizes the fibers, instantly completing the cutting. This ensures the smoothness of the edge and the purity of the fibers of each unidirectional fabric blank, laying a perfect foundation for the subsequent precise layup. A stack of cut unidirectional fabric blanks is sent to the layup table. Here, the operator will follow the core layup design, carefully designing the fiber direction of each layer according to the mechanical environment the board needs to withstand. When the last unidirectional fabric is placed in position, the next step is to vacuum seal it, making the final preparations for entering the high-temperature and high-pressure tank. The entire stack is wrapped in a complex vacuum bag, and the edges are tightly sealed with sealing strips. Finally, the vacuum valve is installed. When the vacuum pump starts, the air inside the bag is rapidly evacuated, and the atmospheric pressure compresses the layers with a force of several tons per square meter, expelling residual air bubbles and making the entire system tight and stable. Under the combined effect of high temperature and high pressure for several hours, the resin is fully cured, and the boundaries between layers completely disappear. The loose unidirectional fabric stack, after this hot pressing baptism, is ultimately transformed into a carbon fiber laminate with excellent performance and a natural appearance. From the precise cutting of unidirectional fabric to the precise layup at specific angles, and then to the ultimate fusion in the high-temperature and high-pressure tank, the birth of this carbon fiber board is a microcosm of modern composite material engineering. It is lightweight yet not fragile, its strength stemming from respect for the direction of each fiber bundle and the ultimate control of the fusion process.